Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everybody. For the men who are fathers and for the women who had to step up and be fathers. So have a happy Father's Day. Today is June the 21st. And our devotion is, He is Faithful. Lord, your love reaches to the heaven, your loyalty to the skies. Psalms 36, verse 5. Few love stories demonstrate a high level of faithfulness that then depicts by the life of Hosea, the prophet. He was given what seemed to be a very unfair task to take a prostitute as his wife and commit to loving her. He would watch as his wife and mother to his children chose to leave the family and return to her life of prostitution. Hosea went in search of his wife, and finding her in her debauchery, he paid to bring her back home with him. Guilty, broken, and dirty, it would seem a romantic tale of underlying love had it happened naturally. However, Hosea walked in with his eyes wide open. His choice to obey God in spite of what he would suffer is beyond admirable. God, I want to display my faithfulness to you like Hosea demonstrated. Help me not to choose after things of the world, but to remain faithful to you and your promise for me instead. The nighttime devotion. The loyal story of Hosea sounds oddly familiar, doesn't it? Jesus commissioned by the Father, persuade us until we decide to become His. But we just can't seem to keep ourselves out of the messes of this world. Jesus doesn't quit. The price he paid to restore our relationship with was his life. He gave up everything to bring us home. That is faithfulness in its fullest measures. Let yourself believe in this evening. How does your unfaithfulness cause you to doubt the faithfulness of God? That is the question of the day. Where I'm at in my life today, I believe that God is faithful. And I try to be faithful to Him. Now, there was a time in my life I was not faithful and didn't think that God was faithful. So I want you all to realize there's no perfect person out there. And there are days that our faith may be challenged. But always know that God is always right here by our side. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like to subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video, I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys.